I'll call you luego. Hi everyone, the word of the day is luego. Luego. This means later, or sometimes it means then. Luego can work with feminine and masculine nouns, so you don't have to worry about any grammatical gender. And it doesn't have a plural form, so that's pretty good. Now let's see a few examples. Quiero ir al parque y luego a un restaurante. Quiero ir al parque y luego a un restaurante. Luego te mando todos los documentos. Luego te mando todos los documentos. Háblame luego. Háblame luego. Voy a ir al mercado y luego a tu casa. Voy a ir al mercado y luego a tu casa. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, leave me more examples down below. You know that I always love to read your comments. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!